is up, you guys? So today, with Foreman Fishing, we will be going down to the pond. We will be fishing in absolutely downpouring rain, and the audio might be bad, so we're sorry about that. So just please cooperate with us for that part. So we've been catching small bass in the videos, but we have off video. We've caught like 2-pound bass. We've caught maybe almost like a 2.5, almost 3-pound bass. And we're going to be trying to catch those bass. They're probably around 10 to 15 inches. So see you guys when we're out on the lake. What is up, guys? So we just made it to the pond. We are soaked, we are cold, but when we got here, this is crazy. Look at the pond. The fence, water. Water, bro.
I got frog.
She's a frog. Oh my gosh.
Oh.
Frogs galore.
Oh, crap.
Guys, there's a bottle of Prime out there. I don't know who's literally in like that, but if you comment down below Prime.
What do you guys see?
But
Frogs all over.
yeah, there's totally frogs, you guys. So I'm just walking down. That's a really bad problem because
Logan, why are you hogging it? Where are they?
that's our like favorite like fishing spot right here with big bass here. But look at this, you guys. Absolutely soaked. We used to be able to go all the way like down there, but like this is pretty much as far as we can go, like right here without getting our feet soaked. They already are. My feet are already cold. All right, so Brody's got a artificial worm, and CJ's got the
Micro jig.
yeah micro jig.
Guys,
Oh shoot! Oh my gosh, you guys! Here.
the camera under.
All right, we got this umbrella for the camera.
I can't tell where the weeds are.
I know. This is so bad, you guys. Here, let's go. I'm gonna go make it over here. Oh, it would've been so nice if we have like. Oh my goodness, bro, my hands are freezing. Hey, everybody, admit to this. We will not do this on a regular basis. We are doing this for you guys, Logan, are we doing this for them?
Yep.
CJ, are we doing this for them? We're fully committed for this channel, you guys.
Come on, guys, show some love.
Yeah, show some love. Hit the like and subscribe button. We would really appreciate it. We've not been able to upload a bunch of videos right now because we've been having to go places and stuff. But we've been going places and we've been fishing. I've been fishing. I caught a big catfish, you guys.
I caught like a 5-pound bass.
Yeah.
My grandpa did on his popper. I caught like a 4-pounder off my dock.
But this is absolutely crazy. You can hear the wind. I don't know if you guys can hear us. This audio could totally fail. And this video will not be uploaded.
I cannot tell where the dark weeds are. And guys, if you're wondering what this is just something to keep my raincoat from flying back.
B-Man, you good? What? What? Oh my gosh! You guys! We have not been we might have been tearing a little bit of fence down, but we have not been tearing down much fence at all. But look at this. Sorry for that bad lighting, you guys. But look at this. Look at this fence. Okay, I'm gonna wash you guys off. It might be a little noisy and stuff. I'm sorry, but I'm gonna wash you guys off. It's a bit better. Okay, so we have had all fish is jumped out there. Okay, so not have any bites so far. Oh, bass! Bass! First bass of the day.
Yeah, that's a big one.
Yeah, pretty big. Here, I can.
He grabbed it. I got him, guys. Logan!
We got a bass!
Got a bass!
Look at that beautiful bass right there. Hey, first sketch of the day. On the bike ride. Oh, sorry. Oh.
Hey, I did nothing to you.
But on the bike ride here.
I will throw you back in. I swear.
But on the bike ride here, you guys, I said to Brody, if we don't get a fish in about like a half hour or so, we're going back.
Not that bad? Not that bad?
Yeah, not that bad at all.
Really nice.
Awesome.
Guys, with this calm water, they cannot get stuck in weeds.
Yeah, it's awesome. Oh my gosh, I'm freezing. Woo. We brought a blanket, but we're not using that. We're committed. We are committed. I need to get in the water, don't I? No, not my body. I mean my rod, you guys. Sorry, but I need to get a line in the water. Logan's not fishing, I don't think, right now today. So we should try to go by the sewer, see what's happening. Oh, I don't know. Got some nibbles. Someone just honked at us. What the? This rain is just absolutely pouring off the side of this umbrella. Logan, you want to film? I need to get a line in the water.
Sure.
Okay, Logan's got the camera, you guys. Hi, Brody is saying to feel the water, so let's feel it, you guys. He says it. Oh, you're getting nibbled. Watch out. Logan, watch out. Set it. Okay, I'm gonna feel the water, you guys. Oh my God.
Got him.
Oh my. No, I got
Oh,
him.
that's a massive panfish.
Oh my gosh.
In the pouring rain.
They're hitting these micro jigs. Ow.
They love micro.
Oh, you got it.
Nice hook set.
Bro, this guy's so big, I can literally lift him. Oh! Okay, bye, buddy. Hope you find a dad. Okay, second fish of the day. Second for CJ.
Alright guys, so we're back. He's using a micro jig still. There's a massive leopard frog over there is what they're saying. But hopefully they catch it, and we are gonna test that and see if they're lying or if it's actually true. With B-Man, you never know. We used to be able to walk out like 15 feet, but now, no, not 15, that's a little over, but like 5 feet, but now we can't walk out, like, at all.
CJ, can I use your other rod?
Yeah, sure. We will be right back. I'm going to go over and I will see you guys over by the leopard frog. Sadly, the leopard frog got away, so I'm sorry that you guys couldn't see that, but at least you guys can still see us fish here. But we'll be with you when we catch something.
So guys, see how our lake is, the pond is moving flooding? You guys want to see how deep it is? Right here, it's like a itty bitty thing. One step is just this. So look, I'm not even sliding.
Alrighty, so we just caught our second bass of the day. It's a small bit bigger. I'm pretty sure, what was it, an inch bigger? So, we're gonna show you it.
Second one of the day, baby! Micro jigs, they're the king!
Let's see the release on this guy.
Release them properly.
This is the third bass of the day, baby. but this one is definitely way bigger.
Wait, I hooked him. Look at his thing. Look at his lip. Do you not see what's in? So I hooked him before. I think this is the same bass. It's the same fish. Show them his mouth.
Alrighty, so it's way bigger.
Alright, here.
It's matter of fact 4 inches bigger.
Here, Matt. Let me hook him. Wait, Nolan, just let me unhook him. Wait, you got it? You got it? Wait, let me do it. Wait. Good.
I'll see you when we finally unhook this guy. Alrighty, so Brody over there released the fish on accident.
Oh, he had it.
So, we may have just had him on again, but we're gonna keep trying for him. As Nolan and CJ just doubled up, but Nolan's got away, but CJ just got the fourth
I caught it.
bass.
Hey, everybody, look at me. All right, I landed my fish. I threw it. I did not, but my fish did not go away.
Okay, but there's CJ. He will show you the bass in a second.
Hey! My was so big, it didn't even go under. Look at
Yeah, look at the bass the bobber that Nolan's using. Okay, but we're more concerned about this.
No! Easy go.
So that's the bass. Pretty small, not the size that we had before, but it's still a fish, and a fish is a fish.